So today we're talking about YouTube TV and the brand new packages that are available for most people. Now, I did a video a couple weeks ago letting you guys know that YouTube TV is coming out with cheaper packages that give you the option whether you want sports, entertainment, some other options that listed in there. But on the YouTube TV website, these packages are nowhere to be found. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to get to those packages, what those packages include, and let me know in the comment section if this worked for you, and let me know the area that you're in. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So here we are on the official YouTube TV website. You're gonna see the home page, and you can scroll down and it gives you all the channels. You can put in your zip code. It's gonna give you what's available in your zip. And if you keep scrolling, it's gonna get into the packages. However, when you scroll down, you can see that you have some of the add-ons right here, but you basically have two packages right here. You have the YouTube base plan, which is $82.99. They do give you a $59.99 promotion. You can see for the first 2 months they kind of hook you up with a cheaper option. They also have the YouTube TV plus the NFL Sunday ticket. This one do have the base plan right here, but if you scroll down, you see the price for the Sunday ticket as well. So that one is going to be $16 a month or $192 a year. This is for new users, by the way. Click on it, you can see you have 12 payments of $31, $378. But where are those cheaper plans that YouTube promised us? So where these are located is you actually have to sign into your YouTube TV account. So if you don't have one, normally it's linked to your Google account, but you go ahead and sign in. I do have an existing account. However, I don't have YouTube TV service. So I click on that. I am signing in YouTube TV, browse, sign up, all the options are there. I'm going to click got it. You can see it has some stuff here, but this is stuff that I can't access. So if I click on this, for instance, you can see I need to sign up to watch that CNN. If I click on anything, it's going to tell me to sign up to watch. So I don't have an account. What you need to do to view these packages are you need to click on your profile in the top right. Just give it a second. Click on settings. All right, we're just gonna hit X for got it, whatever the case is. And now right here, you can see the base plan is right here at the discounted price. But if you explore plans, it now gives you a couple options. First, you're gonna have a YouTube TV. This is gonna be the standard plan right here, $82 a month. Scroll down, you do have a sports plan that you can see there, and if you click on more information, you can see what's included, guys. So you can see you have your ESPN, your TNTs, your NBA TVs. You also have your NFL network, and this is a good deal for folks who just want to watch sports. Like myself, I really don't watch too much TV, but for me, something like this will be pretty awesome. So these are the two plans that they're showing. However, if you need a different plan, and I'm not sure why they went through all the trouble to hide this, but find a different plan here. So if you click on that, you can see they do have different options, guys. So they have a live sports, entertainment, news, and they also have family. So if I click on entertainment, let's get recommendations. All right, so if you click on that, it's gonna give you some more options. So you're gonna have entertainment right here. Click on more info, it's gonna give you what channels are available. It's gonna be 60 channels, give or take, as you can see there. Pretty cool. Scroll down, you do have a sports and entertainment. This one is $79 a month, which isn't too bad. So if you click on more information there, you can see some of the entertainment, some of the featured, you can see the sports, family. So this is a nice mixture of everything put together. They do have the standard YouTube TV. All right, so let's go back. If we go into news, let's get recommendations. They do have a sports and news, do have news and entertainment, and they also have the standard YouTube TV plan, which is the one they're pushing a lot. Let's go to family, get recommendations. $71 for sports and family. News and family, $62. YouTube TV, that's a standard, which they always include. Let's go back. I believe they had one more. I think we skipped the live sports. So if you go to live sports, you can see they do have a couple sports options. They do have sports only, again, $64. They have sports and news, and they have the standard YouTube TV plan. So again, I get it that not everyone is seeing this, but definitely if you're interested in a YouTube TV package, seem like they do have these plans. However, they're behind your sign-in. They don't advertise them on the homepage, which I guess is to steer you towards that standard package, which is $82 a month. Just to give you guys a reminder, I canceled YouTube TV a couple months back. The reason was this $82 turns into $95 after taxes and fees. So keep that in mind, especially when you're signing up for an account. So let me know in the comment section where you are, if you got these new packages for YouTube TV. Also check the link to see if I have any discount codes, promotions to sign up for YouTube TV. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.